The push to make records open to the public in a deadly attack on Maryland journalists. The lawyer for the Capital Gazette fought for more access to records about the man who killed 5 people in the newsroom. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at the Circuit Courthouse tonight with a split decision. Mike.
Rick, the judge said a number of documents will remain sealed, but lawyers can't just mark them confidential as they had been doing in some cases without a full hearing before her. The Capital Gazette's attorney tells us without this push, the public would know a lot less about this case. More than a year and a half after the murders of 5 staffers at the Capital Gazette in Annapolis, the newspaper's lawyer fought to make more court filings open to the public and in large part lost after the judge ruled that most of them should be kept behind seal. The paper's own analysis revealed 70% were hidden from the public, some with the click of a mouse, as lawyers marked records confidential in Maryland's electronic filing system. Judge Laura Ripken says that has to stop unless there's a hearing.
Considering where this started, the public knows a lot more about these proceedings now than it did 2 months ago.
Many of the court records deal with defendant Jared Ramos' mental health. Ramos has pleaded guilty to killing the victims in the Capital Gazette newsroom, an act of revenge because he was upset about a story published about him. But a jury still has to decide whether he was sane at the time.
Sure.
State's attorney Ann Colt-Litis argued making more records public would poison the case. She said Mr. Ramos does not need to be tried in the press unfairly. He should be tried in this courtroom. Among the items sealed is a mental health evaluation from a doctor here at Clifton T. Perkins Hospital that the Capital Gazette says should be made public because it's integral to the case. The paper's lawyer says he'll keep fighting for transparency.
Secret justice is never effective justice and is rarely fair justice. So that's why it is important for the public to understand what's happening as it's happening all along the way.
Jared Ramos was in the courtroom for this hearing today. He said very little. He listened intently. His trial for the insanity portion of this defense starts in March. Reporting live in Annapolis, Mike Helgren, WJZ.